guys, it's Jacko and Ali.
And today we're going back to the warehouse to do a part 2. We'll be exploring all around it and we'll be going to the top level. And we'll be putting one of our stickers up on the top level.
These ones.
Yeah.
Okay guys, hope you enjoy the video. See you then.
Okay guys, we're here now at the warehouse, as you can see. A little flashback to last time. The way we got out was this little gate. I'll put a flashback right now.
Look behind you. We can go out this way. Look guys. See, look, there's like an opening in a fence.
But yeah, let's get into the video now.
Okay guys, we're here. There's a van right there as well.
There was a van. As we walked right there, the van over there. Yeah. As we were walking.
It's construction, we're fine.
Right. You hear that shit? Oh.
Look over there.
Fuck, did you just hear that? There's so much noise. What the fuck? What the fuck? Can you guys hear that shit? Oh yeah, I just noticed something. Oh wait, no I didn't. Fuck. I'm pretty sure that's just the wind, but what the fuck?
We should probably swear.
Okay, I'm just gonna what the hell?
It was pretty windy outside, and we've never been here in a really windy night. So
Oh my god, this is where we heard the massive bang, and we're hearing like a bunch of them now. It's the wind. Fuck. This is where we were last.
wait, hang on.
Last time we stepped in here, and there's a toilet.
Step it on
Boy.
again.
Wait.
That's scary.
Just look. Oh my god! Like we didn't even look at this last time, but there's like a toilet here.
I think I said that.
What the fuck?
I'm really
Yeah.
scared, but I'm like, I feel like I'll be really scared after.
No, it was like really windy on the way here, so I, like, yeah. What the fuck? Oh. Yeah, let's.
It's like,
Wait. I feel like someone's in that bit there.
it's kind of like a bit further around there.
Yeah.
Everything's
Yeah, that's like that stuff up there. This is where I did a TikTok and I was like, anyone want to do Project X here?
Host for the evening. Behind me is Thomas Cook's house. Today,
Yeah.
I actually went to it was up there, and then it stopped, like completely stopped. And then when we went in, it went around over there. Like over there. It went over there. So like,
Oh,
I feel like it's like,
I feel, I don't know.
maybe it's just horrible.
This is like the scariest time we've been here. Alright. Doesn't look like there's anyone in there. Over there is where we went in the first time we ever came here. First time we ever came here, we didn't even plan to go in this bit. We were planning to go in the other building that's next to it. But it's all closed off. There's 2 more abandoned buildings there. But they're all boarded up and like, I don't know, but they might be getting fixed up.
Wait, how many minutes?
It's like nearly 4 minutes in. It's really scary.
There's so much noise.
Bro.
Wait, you need to point the camera at this.
Okay. And they're like, there's a lot of construction and stuff like around this place.
The
So
white van's not there anymore.
that's what it looks like. And that's the building there. And those 2 that you're looking at right now are both abandoned buildings. They might be fixing them up, but yeah, I don't really know.
They are. Someone bought the big ass
Yeah,
one with
someone-
the orange stuff on it.
With the orange. Oh yeah, someone bought that big one there.
Ollie, you wanna do the sticker?
Oh my god, yes.
Do
Okay,
you want one?
let's
You
just
can have-
slowly walk to the other side. Okay, so we got these stickers,
We're gonna put
and
the,
each place we go to, we're gonna stick them up somewhere.
Really high on
We
the
got this
band.
idea of Sam and Chloe, like those. Yeah. But
Oh, was that there last time? Like last time we filmed here?
that thing, no, I don't remember that. You guys can look in the old video and try to see if that thing was there. I don't really know what the fuck it is. But yeah, Jackson, you're actually moving. What the fuck? Oh, you stop. That's so loud. Oh, you remember when I looked in this and I was like, nothing in there. We were so scared. We were so scared last time to do any of this, but we've been here like one other time before this, so we've like got a bit less scared about it. I mean, at least it's a really open place instead of like a Wait, should I just
If you don't want to go up there, I'll go up there.
really?
I'm not joking.
All right.
Are you,
Okay,
you want to go up?
Okay, that's what the stickers look like again. I don't.
Are you gonna go up, or do you want me to?
Fuck, I'm really scared to go up.
We went here 2 days ago without footage and stuff because we forgot the GoPro, and I went up there and it felt like it was gonna fall.
Let's just like, hey, just go in there.
What? There's no one in there. Literally, look.
What the fuck?
No, why is that so loud?
Why is it so?
I know it's just the wind, but still, why is it really loud?
Wait, it looks like kind of stable. Wait, walk on like those things.
That's the middle, isn't it?
Yeah, like walk on like.
Still doesn't look that stable.
Yeah, I mean it's the
we
middle.
want to
So.
stick it like up there.
Yeah, we want to stick it like up there, not on the Boner garage. But yeah, like up there.
If
Oi, like try get it stuck on good too. Don't just like.
there's a car, just come back.
Wait, there is a car. Someone's in the car. They're hopping out. They're hopping out. There's a truck. Fuck. Wait, he just looked at me.
I'm gonna jump. This.
Oh, yes.
Oh my god, there's a truck. There's literally like there is so many trucks.
Why are they so close? Wait, I'm hiding a bit. So much trucks, what the fuck?
I can't get them undone.
Yeah, I know. Wait, hold the camera. I think I know how to do it.
Can I do it, please?
Yeah, you can stick it up. I'm just like gonna try to get it off.
There is so much noises, guys. I don't know if you can. Oh my god, that was grass moving over there, but it scared me.
Alright, got it off. Do you want me to just quickly
Can I please
put
stick it up? Can I please? I'm gonna do it as high as possible. You can. Okay, back up. Get the end.
Come on. There it is, right there.
You guys can go and look at that if you want.
If you guys come here, there's a little sticker.
I really want to go up there to show them.
Yeah, we really should. But yeah, I don't know. Should we though?
We could go up the stairs. No, we can't.
Oh, what the? That's like the up there.
I know.
That's
But
so. Yeah,
I could
yeah.
get
Let's
up
go up.
there.
Let's go up the stairs, guys.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is lovely. We're nearly up there.
I really want to show them up there.
I just want you to go away.
Oh, there's so many cars.
Did you just hear that?
No. What was it? How long has this been?
No, it
recording
just
for?
sounded like a voice. Like 9 minutes. Yeah.
That's good. There's that car that's like still there.
We just want to quickly run up there.
I don't want to go up there. Wait, pause. I'm gonna like try and like show you guys up there, but like, never mind. I honestly,
You put noises on this. It's definitely not clickbaiting.
no.
Oh my god.
Outside. Is the truck still there?
Is it still there?
Yep. It's like, hello? Why did everything get really quiet?
And why did I hear someone go like?
No, that was the metal
Oh, okay. Okay,
So,
good. Cause I'm.
you got
Oh yeah. I don't know if we should go or what. Cause like, it's been recording for 11 minutes now. So, and we said we promised we'd get up on the top bit. So.
Can I just like run? I really just want to run around, like run and show everything, everyone. You ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna.
Three.
Wait, no, hold my shit. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you. Okay.
Oi, just quickly go on the top bit. Just do it.
Dude, I'm really scared. Can
It's like
can
now
you?
I know it sounds cringe, but like.
I've done it like so many times.
Oi, just do it.
No, can you do it? Why can't you do it?
You climb. You climb up past the camera, please. Just do it. I hope the worker in that car doesn't come out. It's like, get out.
I'm not gonna go in. I'm showing it.
Oi, what?
Sorry
Put
for.
flash in there. To make
No,
it
you-
see it better, because last time we did it, you can hardly even see it.
You can see it even better, dude. Like you can see it really good. Oh shit. Oh my god, I can't move.
Just do it.
Fucking send it. Oh, you're right, you can't see. Sorry for the bad video, guys. Like bad quality. Not much to see. Can't go on there. Floorboards are gonna break, so. Here you go.
Right.
Wait.
Shit. Okay. It's really kind of dangerous to go on the top bit. We don't want to fucking risk our lives for that. So. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.